My love, Gio. Ngayong araw yung pinakahihintay natin, sa wakas natupad na. Noong una pa lang kitang nakilala, kala ko joke lang yun. Kasi of all of the places, sa inuman pa.
Usually tumatakas siya kasi yung parents sa strict eh.
Kung hindi ako nayaya ng mga kaibigan ko noon, walang Gio at Sheila na nakaharap sa altar at mga ngako magmamahalan sa harap ng Diyos ngayon.
Sheila May Rica Hermoso Rodelas, my girlfriend / fiancé, and now I can proudly call you my wife. I'm overflowing with excitement as we embark on this journey to build a joyful family together.
Since lumaki ako na broken family, gusto ko yung sa atin is kompleto tayo, masaya.
Gio, this is it. Wala ka nang kawala, hindi ka na makakatakas. Magagawa na natin yung mga bagay na di natin nagagawa before. Makagala na tayo. Yun lang. Can't wait to see you later, love. Love you.
We pray for Gio and Sheila because in the end, their example will be an inspiration for all of us.
Our love was not perfect, but we managed to survive throughout the years. Pinatunayan mo sa akin na kaya mo palang tupatin yung pinangako mo noon. Totoo pala yung quote na, God has perfect timing. Never early, never late. It takes a lot of patience, it takes a lot of faith, but it's worth the wait.
Mabaho ba ako?
Gamitin mo yung pabango kasi favorite kong gawin sa iyo yung amuyin ka.
Learned our lessons through the tears, made memories we knew would never
Kata ko ba, ma?
Embassy days.
Ito na ilala mo. Grab rider.
We'll live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind.
We came to the convent, and the first thing I asked Sheila is, sigurado ka ba talaga dito kay Gio?
Yung relationship kasi namin is parang neutral lang. Para kami magtropa. Ano to? I hope you're having a wonderful time with your bridesmaid right now and will enjoy the rest of the day with us as well. I just wanted to let you know that I won't be able to give you my gift today, but I promise that our honeymoon in Japan for 5 days will be my treat. I can't wait to see you later with all my love. Japan!
To our very own Mr. and Mrs. Hell
Cheers!
When I say I do today, it signifies not just a moment but a lifetime commitment. I will hold your hand and stand steadfastly beside you through every triumph and challenge, in sickness, in health, in times of plenty and times of scarcity.
This is it, my love. After a year of planning of our dream wedding and 7 years of being together, finally, di ko na kailangan magpaalam sa mama at papa ko. Tuwing alis tayo. And now we can do whatever we want.
Tita, pasensya ka na sa mga takas namin. Gusto lang namin minsan mag-stress out. Pero ayun naman, I can promise you na alagaan ko naman si Sheila.
Sa 8 bilyong nakasilong,
Hindi, ulan yan. Tiwala kay Lord.
ikaw ang aking nakasalubong. Ating awit
Ang ganda ko, oh my God. Buti na lang, naging bride din ako.
inuhit ng langit.
I vow to you that I'll always be there. Through ups and downs, we can do it together. I promise that I'll listen to you every time you make kwento kung paano mag-compute ng monthly and discounts ng financing. I vow to you that I'll be your biggest fan whenever you achieve your goals and your #1 fan in basketball.
Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawari, ikaw para sa'kin.
From this moment until my very last breath, my heart is yours and my love for you will endure. Till death do us part. Bang.
Di siya nagtanong kung maliligaw na siya. Parang nagkaka-MU-MU na kami. And then, birthday niya, nagsulat ako sa regalo ko sa kanya na I love you. Tapos tinanong niya ako, tayo na. Hindi tayo na. Yun na yun. The rest is history na po.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Kainuman ko siya sa Central. So, hindi ko in-expect na that day, makikilala ko pala yung mapapangasawa ko.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Sabi niya sa akin, sabihan mo lang ako kung tutuloy mo pa o hindi.
Tapos nagtatawanan kami lately na kung hindi ko daw sinabi yun, baka nga hindi daw niya ako sineryoso. So, buti na lang, sinabi ko yun that day.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
I vow to you na lagi kitang papasiyahin sa abot ng makakaya ko. Lagi mo tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita, Gio, ngayon at palagi.